Good day guys, welcome back to the King's Tutor class. In today's class, we're looking at set. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go to subscribe and put on the notification button to receive notifications as we upload new videos. Now, set is the collection or group of elements or objects. That's it. Set is the collection of group of elements or objects. Now, under set, to look at set notation. And for set notation, set is represented with capital letters, say A, B, C, and so on, such that A could represent set of cars, B could represent what set of pencils, and so on. That's how to represent set. Now, on that set, we'll be looking at elements of a set. Elements of a set. Now, just as I said, A represents set of cars, B represents set of pencils. A can be equal to what? We could have Toyota, we could have Camry, we could have Lamborghini, and so on and so forth. Those are elements of A because A is car, and different cars will have different brands and different names like that. So these elements are the babies of A in that case. Then for B, we have we have 8B pencil and some other types like that we have. Those are elements. So such that I can giving my A to be equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, C till 10. That's 7, 8, 9, 10. In this case, 1 to 10 here represents the elements of A. For B, let's say B were given to be what? Odd numbers, less than 10. Odd numbers from 1 less than 10. We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, that's all. Now, these are elements. Now, this curly bracket makes these elements a set. What do I mean? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the elements. This curly bracket makes these elements a what? A set in this case there. So, and so on and so forth. So let's say my C were set of even numbers up to 10 from 1. Okay, I'm going to have what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This will be my what? Set. Where the elements here are what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now that's for that. Now, types of sets. We have union of a set. Represented as what? This, like a U. Now we have union of a set, we have intersection of a set, and so on and so forth. So in our next video, we'll be looking at some other types. Let's just see union of a set and some other ones like that. Now for union of a set, given that A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, in this case, to find A union B is as though saying what? Write all the elements in A and B without repeating any of them. 1 is here, 1 is not here, write it once. 2 is here, 2 is here, write it once. 3 is here, 3 is not here, write it once. 4 is here, 4 is here, write it once. We have 5, 6, 8, 10. This is the union of A and B. That's picking elements from A and B without repetition. Now for intersection of a set, intersection of a set noted as this. It means picking common terms from A and B. So let's say my A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in this case. Now what will be my intersection? Intersection B, as I said earlier, pick elements that are common in both A and B. It implies that we'll have what? 2 and 4. That is intersection. Now before we continue further, let's look at the universal set. Universal set is noted as U or E this way. This is how my universal set is noted as. Now, universal set, as it were, is the mother of all sets. What do we mean? It contains all sets. So, if I said my U is given as 1 to 10, my A, which is a subset, my B, which is a subset, must be part of this. That is, from this now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is here. We have B, which is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Everything is also in U. Now that is universal set. It's the mother of all sets. Now for subsets, which will be the last one I'm going to be looking at in this class. For subset, noted as this. Okay. Now the subsets A and B of a universal set U is the member of U, like that. Actually, English is difficult. So this is what I mean. Just as I explained here earlier, A in this case is a subset of U. Why? Because all the elements in A are present in what? In U. The same thing also. B is also a subset of what? U. Why? Because all the elements of B can be found in what? In U. So it is a member, it is an element, and it is also a set on its own. Exactly, because A also has what? Elements in it. The same thing with B. So that's going to be all for today's class. In next class, we'll continue with other types of sets that we have.